So now just remove the end cap. I don't know exactly what's going on here.
But he's got to make the most of it. He's got to rally the troops.
Got to rally the troops, and some electoral processes, Jenny, as you'll know, things do go through the night. They get thrashed out in a matter of hours rather than days or weeks. But help us understand what would follow now for the CDU in the coming days
see the end?
as it tries to position itself to form a coalition.
Well, that work is already going on. These kind of talks have been going on for some days, if not weeks now, and the CDU
has gone wrong.
Regardless of who comes out tonight, they're talking to the Free Democrats, for example. They'd very much like to see, if possible, a coalition with the Free Democrats, perhaps the Greens as well, a Jamaica coalition as they call it.
Oh, wait a minute.
So
All I gotta do, there we go. Just take that circlip off the end. There's a circlip on the end.
Parties who, after all, are going to be potentially kingmakers.
So now the armature just comes. Oh yeah, that's it. It should just come out, I think. Oh, there's a washer on there as well. Oh dear. That's it. So the armature's out. I'm guessing.
Jenny, would it be fair to say that the CDU and the Free Market Liberals, the FDP, are more natural bedfellows than the FDP going with the Social Democrats, or have I got that wrong?
I think something's gone wrong inside. So see me in part 3.